Still got him?
Yep.
The 2001 Cavalier Coupe. Now with standard anti-lock brakes.
You still got him?